In today's video, I'm going to show you the radicals in array input method on 7 middle key. And 7 middle key is the fundamental key since it's in the middle row, and it's letter J on your keyboard, 7 middle. Okay, so we have fundamental radicals, and we also have 2 exceptions at the end. Alright, let's begin with the first one. 7 fundamental radicals is lid. So right here is a lid, like this one, lid. So the lid with hook or without hook. So here's a lid, and here's a lid, here's a lid, and this one does not have hook. Okay, lid and lid. Alright, let's begin with this first one. The first stroke is 9 left falling, so we press 9 middle. Continue 7 lid, so 7 middle. And the next row here, 9 again, left falling, 9 middle. Okay, we've done 3. We go to the last one, which is this 1A at the bottom. 1 horizontal, person 8, and 1A is at 1 lower, and space. Alright, next one. The radical on the top, this is 6 1, 6 dot and 1 horizontal. 6 1 is at 6 upper, and 2 dots in different directions. These are 8 fundamental key, 8 middle. Continue is a 7 lid, so we press 7 middle. Okay, we've done 3. We go to the last one, which is a square here, square 0 0 middle, and space. First one. Alright, the next one, first row 1 horizontal, 1 middle. Continue, we write this lid, so 7 middle. And the rest we have cross 4 and 1 horizontal, 4 1. 4 1 is at 4 upper, and space. Okay, next one, the upper radical, this exception is 5 middle. Okay, continue, we have a 7 lid, 7 middle. And last one, we have a double cross right here, so double cross 4 middle, space. Next one, this lid does not have hook, but this is also lid, 7 middle. And 1 8, 1 horizontal, 8 person, 1A is at 1 lower, space. Next one, very simple, you can see 7 lid outside frame, so 7 middle. And inside we have a double cross, even it gets through, double cross 4 middle, space. Second one. Alright, last one. We begin with 7 lid. Okay, so 7 lid, 7 middle. And continue. This is 6 7 dot 6 6 1 dot 6 1 horizontal, just like this one, dot 6 1 horizontal. 6 1 is at 6 upper, and space. Alright, continue. This you can see on the top, this is also a lid, and the middle like this one, and this one with other radical gets through, and here in the middle 7. Okay, the first one 7 lid, so we press 7 middle, and the bottom begins with 1 horizontal and with 4 cross. 1 4 is at 1 upper, space. Third one, continue, 3 vertical, 1 horizontal. This radical is 3 1. 3 1 is at 3 upper. Continue 7 lid, 7 middle. And we have this 1 horizontal, so we press 1 middle. And the last one I'll introduce later, this is 7 middle and space. Next one, water, left hand side, water, 3A, 3 lower. Continue, we have a 7 lid, 7 middle. And these 2 strokes with this hook, this is called left turn 2, so 2 middle, space. First one. Alright, the top, these are not cross but exceptions. So 4 middle and continue. This is 0, 8, 0 square outside and 8. Okay, so 0, 8, 0 lower. And continue 7 lid, 7 middle. And last one, this is 7, 6, 7 lid, dot 6, 7 lower. This one. Alright, next one. You see this lid is a little narrow compared to this one. So 7 lid, and this one, also this one. Okay, so it begins with 7 lid, 7 middle. And continue, we have a 0, 3, 0 square, 3 vertical. 0, 3 is at 0 upper. And the last radical below begins with 9, right falling, and end with 2 dots here, 8, 9, 8. 9, 8 is at 9 lower. Space. Next one, the upper part is 7 lid, so 7 middle. Again, here's a lid without hook, just like this one, so 7 middle again. And continue, we have this person in the middle, so person 8 middle. At the end, 1, 8. 1 horizontal, 8 person. 1, 8 is at 1 lower. Space. Next one, left hand side, we have 5, 3. This stroke is right turn 5 and 3. 5, 3, 5 upper. And right upper corner, 7 lid, 7 middle. And this bottom right hand side radical begins with 9 and end with 1. So this radical is 9, 1. And 9, 1 is at 9 upper. Space. Okay, next one, 7 lid begins, so 7 middle. And the next radical begins with 1 horizontal and end with 9 left falling, 1, 9, and 1, 9 is at 1 lower. Continue, we have this 5 right turn, so 5 middle fundamental key. And the last stroke, 2 with this hook, left turn, 2 middle, and space. And the next 7 lid you're going to see is right here, right upper part. This is also 7 lid. Okay, so for this character, left hand side we have horizontal line, so 1 middle. And here's another one, 1 middle again. Continue, this is a 7 lid, 7 middle. And last one, person, 8 middle, and space. Okay, the next lid is right here, you can see. This is also 7 lid. Okay, so 7 lid, 7 middle. And this stroke right here is 8 right falling, 8 middle, space. The second one. Alright, the next 7 lid radical is this. We call them knife in Chinese right here. Okay, so for this character, left hand side, this is a 2A, 2 lower. Continue, right upper part, this is a 7 lid, 7 middle. And then right bottom, we have this square, 0 middle, and space. First one. Continue, we have 8 at top, so 8 is 8 middle. And we have the 7 lid, 7 middle. And last one, exception, 3 middle, and space. Okay, the last one is right here. This looks like letter P in English, but the shape like this is also 7 lid in array input method. Okay, so let's see the top, person 8 and 1 horizontal. This radical is 8, 1. 8, 1 is at 8 upper. And continue, we have a square here, so 0 middle. And last one, 7 lid, 7 middle, and space. Okay, and next we're going to see exceptions. Okay, there are two exceptions in 7 middle key. The first one is this I right here. You can see right here. Exception is because you have square and horizontal inside. So if you put 0, 1, many other characters will have the same code, so you have to choose. In this case, array input method put this I right here in 7 middle. Okay, so in this case, you press 7 middle. Okay, continue. This is a 5, 1. 5 right turn, 1 horizontal. 5, 1 is at 5 upper. And last we have 2A, 2 left turn, and 8, 2 dots here. 2A is at 2 lower. Space. Okay, next one. First stroke is horizontal, so 1 middle. And second stroke, 9 left falling, 9 middle. And the next we have 7 middle I. And last one right here, this is a 9, 8, 9 left falling, 8 right falling. 9, 8 is at 9 lower. Space. First one. Okay, and this upper part, though it looks like 7 lip, but this looks like 0, 1. So in this case, we put it 0, 1, 0 upper. And right here at the bottom, 7 middle. Space. Okay, and right here, this character is C. Okay, so you have to type this radical first. Okay, so let's take a look. We have one horizontal line, one middle, and this is a 4, 1. Cross 4 and 1 horizontal. 4, 1 is at 4 upper. And continue, this is a 7 middle. And 2 strokes with the hook. This is 2 left turn, so 2 middle and space. Okay, the next radical is right here. In Chinese, it's corn or corner. Okay, so same here. Okay, so this is also exception, and we put it at 7 middle. So in this case, 7 middle first, and right here, like I just explained here, knife, so 7 middle again. And continue, this is a 9, 1. 9 is left falling, 1 horizontal. 9, 1 is at 9 upper. Last one, we have a cross right here, cross 4 middle and space. Alright, the last one here, this is also 7 middle. So we begin with 0 mouth, 0 square, 0 middle. And continue, this one is 3, 1, begins with 3 vertical and with 1 horizontal. And 3, 1 is at 3 upper. Continue, this one is a 1, 2, 1 horizontal, 2 left turn. 1, 2 is at 1 upper. And last one, this radical, 7 middle, space. Alright, that's all for the radicals in 7 middle key. Letter J on your keyboard in array input method. And if you have any comments, questions, you can leave down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.